Welcome to this quick update on Instagram. How to add saved posts to an existing collection. If you've been organizing your saved posts and want to keep everything neat in one spot, this step-by-step will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Once you're in, tap your profile icon located at the bottom right corner. This takes you to your personal profile where all your activity lives. Next, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines menu. From there, select Saved to access everything you've saved so far. In the Saved area, you'll see tabs for all in collections. Tap Collections to view your existing groups. Choose the specific collection where you want to add new posts. This opens the collection page showing all the posts you've already saved there. To add more posts, look for the three dots on the top right of the screen and tap Add to Collection. This opens your saved options in a handy picker. Now comes the fun part. Choose the post you want to add. You'll see a grid or list of your saved items. Tap the post you want to include in the selected collection. As you pick each item, it becomes part of that collection. When you've lined up everything you want, confirm your selection. The posts are instantly added and you'll see them appear alongside the existing ones in that collection. If you want to refine your setup further, you can repeat these steps with other collections or add new collections to keep your saved content organized by topic, project, or mood. The key is to regularly prune and recategorize so you can find inspiration quickly when you need it. A couple of quick tips. Start with broad categories like inspiration, tutorials, and favorites, then create sub-collections as your library grows. Use descriptive titles so you can spot the right collection at a glance. And if you ever want to move a saved post between collections, simply open the post saved options and choose a different collection or remove it from the current one if needed. That's all there is to it. Adding saved posts to an existing collection is a breeze and a powerful way to keep your ideas organized.